Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started.
Wait, what? Shit! Can I die in a vent? Can I die in a vent? Can I die in a vent? Oh god, can I die in a vent? He won't. Well, if I just stay in the vent forever, Toast can't get in the vent. No. Sydney. Oh god, this is a disaster. I have to vent in front of a crewmate so that Toast can't kill me. I know he's waiting for me to pop out, and I'm the big boy. I can't run. Oh god, this is it. Okay, this is fine. I'll just stay in here the whole time. I'll stay in the vent. Hey guys, stick with me. No, you don't understand. Please, I'm gonna die. Please, guys. Thank God. I don't want to do it. But I gotta do. Oh, Spadicy solved it. Okay. Oh,
There's no way.
Sykkuno's name as Babe's babe.
Wait,
What?
Never mind. Never mind.
Wait, Leslie,
I
what?
see Sykkuno.
What'd you call me?
What's Sykkuno's name? Never mind. Babe's babe. It's Babe's babe. Never mind.
Yo,
What'd you call me, Leslie?
No, I was just repeating you.
Okay.
He's just the engineer. Also, you know Edison made this because he coded it where only I see his name as that. He coded it so that I see his name as that, I'm pretty sure. Oh, look, a little thingy. Goodbye, Edison. Goodbye. But then I'll go back. Then he's gonna vent again, but here's the thing. Oh. Oh, John. John! He left me. Well, oh, he's coming back. He's coming back.
I killed someone. I actually killed someone. Time Lord. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Shit. This is very... Oh God! It's broken! Just kill me! Leslie killed me and then Sykkuno is gone! Oh God!
Wait, Leslie, you're telling me I revived the same person twice and caught both imposters?
You revived me!
Um,
Brooke, I'll do what POKI did. She hid behind a rock and counted to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you serious? The time wizard. I was supposed to save it. That went so differently than I planned. No, but you know,
Guilt
DT is down, you guys.
was
DT is
eating
down.
me alive, and I
DT
couldn't
is
take
down,
it.
DT is down.
I just
We're
couldn't.
back
I
up.
couldn't.
Yeah, that's right.
DT is down.
Is down.
DT is down. Wait, why is it down? Is it maintenance day or something?
I just wanted to play with my friends on Valorant.
he almost fell for it.
Yeah, I haven't played with Yvonne in so long. It's been years, you know. I saw you. Hey, Leslie, I see you down there.
Wait, what's going on? I'm glitching. I'm glitching.
Come on up the stairs, Leslie.
I'm glitching.
Just come up the stairs.
I can take the ladder anywhere I want.
What? Okay, well, luckily, I'm also glitching.
Wait, what is your glitch? What's happening? What's happening?
You guys are just standing still on
No,
my
I'm
screen.
glitching. Sykkuno, what's going on? What is going on?
I'm stuck. Why ain't reviving Wendy? Oh God, why'd you report it?
Wait, I'm so confused.
Listen, guys, I'm not gonna say my role, but I have a specific role, and I was about to revive her, and we could have caught the imposter.
I wonder what it is.
I won't say the role though, but if you report it like that, I can't revive her.
Jester,
and now,
for sure.
what?
I know when Sykkuno's Jester sizing.
Next time you see me near,
Lost
all right,
that.
we're definitely gonna win. It's 2-0.
All
All right, guys, here's what we do. Wait, Ray, you're starting to sound like me. What? You were imitating me.
You noticed.
Uh-huh. Oh, wait. Oh, God.
V,
Scarf
flying V.
versus the Ducks. John, join the Scarf Squad.
Wait, are you choosing the ducks
John,
or the scarf?
Wait, yeah, John, you joining the Scarf or the
John,
Ducks?
Inside, John.
John, you're the tiebreaker.
Wait, it's uneven.
No.
Wait,
It's
sorry.
We have the
uneven.
advantage.
Oh,
Flying
the
V,
6v4.
flying V. Ducks versus Scarf. Quick, start the game, start the game. Good energy, good energy.
What the heck?
Quack.
Oh my god.
Why does this duck have fist?
Is that a duck even?
He's serious.
Okay.
Don't even come near. I'm at the
Serious.
red
Serious.
gem room.
He's serious.
I'm like a
He's
dragon protecting his
Okay,
gems. Stay
Raisin
back. Stay
records.
back.
Your
God.
gems?
My
Gems?
gems, the precious. The precious.
Oh,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
You
He's
okay?
dying.
I'm sorry.
can hear the
Oh God,
blood.
Where is
I
he?
could hear it
Oh
too.
God, fix
I
the
could
light,
feel it
someone.
because it was me.
Fix the light.
Our best to win this one.
I mean,
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. really
his
quick, though.
last game, but we could totally replace him if you guys are down.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm still down to play.
Well, you could say that like after
I think.
Well, I
James
mean, you
said
don't
he's
have
down
to leave,
play,
but, like, if
know,
you leave,
after,
then-
so.
Well,
We
all right,
can-
well, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So if you did want to say that, I'll be right back. right? Okay.
Have a nice potty.
Here's what we gotta do. We gotta pretend we're AFK until the last second to stress them out. Because if there's one thing I learned, guys, Ray plays a lot better the more stressed out she is. So the more stressed out she is, the better her aim is. Trust me, I know her. That's exactly how it works. So we wait till the last like 5 seconds and lock it in, and she'll play much better this round. I guarantee it. You guys voted Leslie. She's innocent. Oh, this game's over. This game's so over. This game's so over. Leslie, why did you sus me in Toast?
I thought you're an imposter.
This game's over. I have to deafen, but this game's over. All right. Let's see if we can hit the button, but it's Leslie.
She's chasing me.
Oh my God! Don't kill him right now. My cooldown's my cooldown. Wait, Ray,
Oh
don't
my
hit
God,
the
I'm
button.
so cute.
Don't hit the button. Don't hit the button.
I'm gonna hit the button.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I want a Time Lord to save Toast.
I'm gonna hit the button.
Toast, let me know. Let me know.
Toast is probably dead.
Reverse.
Toast, are
Um,
you alive?
Toast, Mr. Toast. He's dead. I didn't revive him.
Wait, I'm too small to go down the stairs.
What do you mean you're too small to go down the
I
stairs?
can't go down. It's too high.
Hit the button. I'll fix the lights.
It actually.
Okay,
says
you can fix lights in 3 locations. Leslie doesn't know where I am. Hit the button. Hit the button. Wait.
This is awkward.
Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Wait. It's not Leslie. It's
What a twist.
what a twist. What a twist.
Leslie, she hopped into a vent.
Come out of a vent.
She came and fly into a vent.
Guys, it's the opposite. No. I vented because I'll tell you, okay, I'm the engineer. So I was like, oh my God, but I'm also a big boy if you didn't notice. So I'm like, I wonder if I, as a big boy, can still vent as engineer. So I vent and I realize, oh shit, Toast is in front of me. He's going to think I'm the imposter. So anyways, later I'm in the vents and I'm like, which one should I pop out of? I pop out of the one in record room and guess who pops out right behind me? Toast! So I hop back in to hide from him, and I'm just hopping between the vents and figuring out which one to pop out of. And so I decide to pop out in front of 2 crewmates, or maybe so I pop out as Spadicy and Sydney. But then they start running away from me because they think I'm imposter. But I'm just trying to protect myself.
Okay.
So
It
it's
sounds like you're imposter, Leslie.
What?
Wait,
No.
Can Big Boy vent?
Yes. Oh, no.
No, the engineer
Engineer
can
can
vent.
vent.
Oh, she's
But
engineer.
I'm the
Big Boy?
engineer, and Leslie vented in front of me.
Okay.
And now she's
I
claiming she's the engineer.
Please, I'm the engineer, guys. What the
Leslie, listen. We could talk about this. Look, you're the sheriff, right? But Leslie, would you kill yourself?
He did it to me. More
But you would kill yourself?
Okay, I was
The answer was
judge.
yes, she would kill herself.
She's fast. She's fast. Oh, she's really fast. I have no idea where she is. She's a genius. She's a genius. She's a genius. I can kill her. I can kill him. They're all playing me. Oh, genius. I'm a genius. I can't kill her. She's literally, she's too fast.